Teaching my boy while he's young
This
so he
here,
can
no?
help
This
me
here,
for pocket
this
money.
here, no? As a starter, you see, this needs to be clean, no? Here, it needs to be clean. So this here, no? You see here, it broke off, right? So this and this, you must look here, this and this must be welded, you see here, must be soldered on this. You see here on, that is gonna solder this one here, no? And then the two brushes, this brush and that brush, needs to be replaced because the car is not gonna start. You understand? And this here is the solenoid that kicks this motor. It kicks it up here in. It kicks it here in, then this comes to the front and it goes onto the flywheel, no? And then the car swings and it goes boom, no? You must learn, no? Because when daddy can't work and then you must come help daddy, no? No? And this here, this is the motor that spins, no? So there you learn, you must wanted to help me. So we're gonna clean this now, no? Me and you, we're gonna clean it, no? Okay.